Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is beautydotmon and I'm going to be showing you how to get the dripping Chanel look using gel polish. So as you see, I'm using a dotting tool right now, making 4 little dots, which I'm later going to connect by a liner brush using black gel polish. It's very simple. As you see, you just drag it from one point to another, creating 2 big C's. So once you've picked up your liner brush, you're going to connect the dots, creating C's. So as you see, even if you mess it up a little bit, you can go over it again. It doesn't need to be perfect. After all, they're supposed to look like they're dripping. I mean, I mess it up all the time. My hands are shaking like hell. So if I can do it, you can do it. Enough blabbering though. It's time to get to work. Let's do the second C. Again, pick up a little bit of gel polish on your liner brush and drag your liner brush through those dots, creating another big C. If you do mess it up, just go over it again. You can make it a little bit thicker. Once you're done with this, the next step is to pick up your dotting tool. Choose one that's not too big and create 3 small dots and then 2 smaller ones at the bottom. And take your liner brush again and with small strokes drag your drips down. Then connect by the sides of the dots so it looks more like a drip rather than, you know, a line with the dot at the end. And do the same on top. Once you've done all these steps and connected all the dots, it's time to put a top coat on. I'm going to choose a matte top coat this time. Go over it once, cure it, and then pick up my liner brush again and go over the C's with a high shine top coat so the C's stand out. And that's it. You've done your dripping Chanel look. If you like it, comment down below and hit the subscribe button. Cheers! Speak soon, guys!